Good day everyone, my name is Channel Dave Labuga. Today I will discussing about taxation in the Philippines. What is taxation? Taxation is the process by which the government collect money from individual and business to fund public service and project. Concept of tax. Taxation is the inherent power of the state to impose and demand contribution upon person, properties or right for the purpose of generating revenues for public purpose. Distinction of tax. A tax is paid for the use of the government property while a toll is paid for the use another property. Tax. A tax is based on law while DIP is based on contract. A tax may not be assignable while a DIP is assignable. What is the history of tax? To support the colony, several taxes and monopolies were established. The buwis and tribute, which could be paid in cash or kind, with tobacco, chicken, produce, gold, blankets, cotton, rice, or other products depending on the region or the country. Purpose and significant tax. Primary purpose generate fund or revenues used to defray expenses incurred by the government in promoting the general welfare of its citizen. Characteristic of tax. It is enforced contribution. It is generally payable in cash. It is proportionate in character. It is linked to impose collect on person or property. Of tax as to subject matter person, pool or competition tax, ex-resident tax, property tax, real estate tax. To as to who bear the builder, direct tax, income tax, direct tax, buying of good and service. 3. As to purpose general tax, almost all taxes is special tax. 4. As to scope national tax, national revenue tax, local tax. All of taxation equally or theoretical justice, administrative feasibility, consistency or compatibility with economic goals. Tax exemption. How to pay tax. Payment bank or authorized center. Government budget and expenditure. In national income, government expending government expenditure or government expending on goods service includes all government consumption and investment by a state. Issues on public finance, taxation, budget deficit, privatization, budget. Kapag dumabis ang gasto sa kita ng pamahalaan, magiging malaki ang kakulangan at maapektuhan ang katatagan ng pamahalaan. Ito ay tinatawag na deficit. Privatization.